Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By fusing the bold performance and design that are characteristic of Lamborghini with an unparalleled degree of autonomous functionality and intelligent living, the 2026 Lamborghini Robotic Motorhome concept delves into a genuinely futuristic world. This fictitious invention goes beyond the conventional RV and presents itself as a luxurious, independent, and self-sufficient mobile environment. The 2026 Lamborghini Robotic Motorhome would definitely contradict the looks of traditional motorhomes from the outside. Though scaled out to make room for living quarters, it would probably have an aggressive, sculpted design that echoes the dynamic proportions and sharp lines of Lamborghini supercars. Advanced lighting systems that are not only functional but also contribute to a kinetic design signature and active aerodynamic features that adapt for efficiency or performance may be incorporated into the design. Its futuristic look and structural integrity would be enhanced by materials like sophisticated composites and possibly even self-healing alloys. With seamlessly integrated sensors, LiDAR arrays, and cameras that are nearly undetectable until triggered, the robotic element could be visually alluded to. The fundamental feature of the robotic motorhome is its unmatched capacity for autonomy. Since this car is built for fully autonomous operation, Level 5, it wouldn't need human input to drive. Real-time road condition adaptability, route optimization, and navigation would all be handled by sophisticated AI. With this degree of independence, residents would be able to completely enjoy their lives, turning travel into a smooth continuation of their opulent home. The term robotic could also refer to internal operations, such as waste management, power generation, possibly through integrated solar panels or a microreactor, climate control, and even highly advanced robotic assistance for daily chores. This would genuinely represent a self-sufficient smart home on wheels. The interior would showcase cutting-edge spatial design and ultra-luxury. The materials would be of the greatest quality, inspired by Lamborghini's luxurious cabins. Custom carbon fiber, Alcantara, and exquisitely carved leather, all combined with haptic controls and digital displays that react naturally to user input. Possibly using kinetic architecture, the extremely modular and transformative arrangement would allow walls, furniture, and even entire rooms to change their configuration at the touch of a button to accommodate various uses, such as dining, entertaining, or sleeping. Offering stunning views, panoramic glass panels that may be adjusted for privacy or solar management would make the surrounding environment an essential component of daily life. An innovative powertrain, most likely electric or hybrid electric, would drive this technological marvel. With its emphasis on quiet, strong, and emission-free functioning, the motorhome would be able to visit areas that are frequently inaccessible to traditional automobiles. With its great degree of adaptability, the suspension would provide a smooth ride on any surface and would even have sophisticated leveling mechanisms for ideal stability even at rest. Serving a select clientele that demands the utmost in luxury and innovation, the 2026 Lamborghini Robotic Motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a declaration of extreme luxury, technical foresight, and a radical rethinking of mobile living.